to be my dad.
A small sheep at your feet. He said what?
I want you to be my dad.
I didn't hear what you said.
I said that I want you to be my dad.
Why?
Because you're a handsome pastor.
Us again. You are a handsome pastor. Oh, quadele boneto, no, mi se, mi si, mi sato, mi tenane, mi. Why? The first one is what?
The first one is handsome, and the second one is preaching.
Who is your mother? Call your mother, let me see her. For her to say pastor shows that you are going to a Pentecostal church, right? Huh?
Yes, Daddy.
You're a member of Pentecostal? Huh?
Yes, Daddy.
So when do you start coming here? Huh?
This is my first time of coming here.
Which church are you attending? You say you are
a member of Assemblies of God. My daddy is a member of Deeper Life Bible Church.
Okwadele Sato. You're a Assemblies of God, but your father is Deeper Life. Wonderful, wonderful churches. Oh.